For billions of years, Mars has stared at us like a frozen ghost, red, silent, and dry. But beneath that lifeless face lies a memory of a time when it wasn't red at all. There was a time when Mars was blue. Rivers once carved deep valleys across its surface. Oceans stretched for thousands of kilometers. Storms rolled across waves that haven't moved in billions of years. And maybe, just maybe, something once swam in those waters. When the first orbiters arrived in the 1970s, they revealed something incredible: ancient riverbeds, deltas, and shorelines that could only have been carved by flowing water. Later, satellites like Mars Global Surveyor and Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter found minerals that form only in the presence of liquid water. Clays, sulfates, and hydrated salts spread across entire regions. These weren't random traces. They were evidence of oceans, real and vast, covering almost half the planet. Some scientists believe that early Mars could have had enough water to form an ocean deeper than the Atlantic. But if that's true, where did it all go? What happened to the oceans of Mars? Billions of years ago, Mars was different. It had a magnetic field, a thick atmosphere, and a warm climate. But something changed. The planet's magnetic field began to fade, and when it died, Mars lost its shield. The solar wind from the sun began stripping away the atmosphere molecule by molecule, bleeding the planet dry. Without air pressure, water on the surface couldn't last. Oceans boiled away into space. Rivers vanished. And what was once a living blue world turned into the cold red desert we see today. Yet Mars keeps its secrets well. Beneath the dust and ice, radar scans from orbit show signs of frozen water locked deep underground, perhaps even pockets of liquid brine trapped below the polar caps. And in those hidden places where heat and pressure meet, life could still cling to existence. The ocean might not be gone, just sleeping. When we look at Mars now, we aren't just looking at a dead world. We're looking at a warning. It reminds us how fragile planets can be, how easily life can vanish when the balance breaks. And maybe, if we ever stand on that dusty shore again, we'll be walking on the ruins of an ancient sea, a sea that once reflected the same stars we see tonight,